Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to draft a basic bodice pattern for a 2-year-old. These are the measurements required to achieve a perfect fit for a 2-year-old. The shoulder is 9 inches. 9 inches divided by 2 will give me 4.5 inches. I'll mark the 4.5, then I'll come down by 4 inches for the armhole. The next thing I'll do is to connect the shoulder to the armhole. In order to achieve a straight line, I'll place the tape across and mark the 4.5, then I'll connect it up to the shoulder. Once that is done, I'll place my tape from the shoulder to get my bodice length, which is 8 inches. I'll mark this 8 inches will serve as the half length and where I will impute the round waist measurement. The next thing I'll do is to get the neck width. The neck width is 3.5 inches. After that, I'll create my shoulder slope. In order to achieve the shoulder slope, I'll come down by 0.5 inch. Then I'll connect from that 0.5 inch to the neck width to create a slant. Once that is done, I'll mark my neck depth of 2 inches. Then I'll connect from the neck width down to our neck depth, creating a round neckline. You can create any kind of neckline you want. The next thing I'll do, I'll place my tape across the armhole and look for the midpoint, which is 2 inches. I'll mark my 2 inches, and at that 2 inches, I'll go in by 0.5 inch. Once that is done, I'll mark my chest line measurement. The chest line measurement is 21 inches. 21 inches divided by 4 will give me 5.25. I'll mark this 5.25 on the chest line, then I'll connect from the shoulder to the 0.5 inch, then from 0.5 inch to the 5.25 at the chest line to create the armhole. Now, going in by 0.5 inch before you create the front armhole for kids is optional. The next thing I'll do is to impute the round waist measurement. The round waist measurement is 20 inches. 20 divided by 4 will give me 5 inches. I'll place the 5 inches, then I'll impute the sewing allowance. I'm using 1.5 inch for sewing allowance here. You can use even 2 inches if you like. Then I'll connect from that chest line down to the waistline. After that, I'll also add 1 inch for sewing allowance at the waistline. Then I'll connect it to the straight line. Now that's basically all for the front bodice for a 2-year-old. For kids basic bodice pattern, you don't need that except you are using a style that needs that manipulation. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to draft the back bodice. Just like the front bodice, I drew a straight line to serve as a starting line. Then on that starting line, I'll mark 1.5 inch for zipper allowance. Then on that 1.5 inch, I'll draw a straight line, then label it zipper allowance so I don't forget. So any measurement I want to impute now will be from the zipper allowance line. Just like the front bodice, the shoulder width is 4.5 inches, then the armhole is 4 inches. Then I'll place my tape from the zipper allowance and mark the 4.5 inch to be sure that I'm getting a straight line. Then I'll connect it from that armhole up to the shoulder line. After that, I'll mark the half bodice measurement, which is 8 inches. I'll mark the 8 inches and draw a straight line across. After that, I'll mark the neck width, which is 3.5 inches. Then I'll come down by 0.5 inch. Then I'll create a slant connecting from that 3.5 down to the 0.5 inch. Once that is done, I'll take the chest line measurement, which is 21 inches divided by 4. I'll mark it, which is 5.25. Then I'll place my tape to get the midpoint of the armhole, which is 2 inches. Then I'll connect from that midpoint down to the chest line to create my armhole curve. This is only for the back. If you notice, I didn't go in by 0.5 inch at the midpoint for the back bodice. After that, I'll place the round waist measurement, which is 20 inches divided by 4 will give me 5 inches. Then I'll place the 1.5 inch for sewing allowance on the waist and also on the chest line. Then I'll connect. After that, I'll place a tape from the shoulder line by 1.5 inches to mark as the neck depth. Then I'll use a French curve, creating a round neckline. Now you can choose to do any kind of neckline you want. If you want to learn different kind of neckline like keyhole and the rest, you can go across my channel and you will see it. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. So the next thing I will do now is to add 1 inch for sewing allowance at the down and connect. This is basically all on how to draft a basic back bodice for a 2-year-old. The next thing I'll do now is to cut. I'll cut the front bodice first and also cut the back bodice. So this is the front and the back bodice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.